In a dramatic turn of events that has gripped the Nigerian entertainment industry, Jude Okoye, the elder brother and former manager of the defunct music duo P-Square, finds himself embroiled in a high-profile legal battle. The Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, EFCC, has arraigned Jude Okoye on multiple charges of fraud and money laundering allegations that have not only spotlighted his financial dealings but also reignited the long-standing rift within the Okoye family. The case has seen significant developments, with courts granting bail amidst ongoing tensions between Jude and his younger brothers, Peter and Paul Okoye. The charges, a multi-million-dollar scandal. Jude Okoye's legal troubles began in late February 2025, when the EFCC arrested him and arraigned him before the Federal High Court in Ikoyi, Lagos on February 26, alongside his company, Northside Music Limited. Jude faced a 7-count charge of money laundering, involving a staggering 1.38 billion naira, $1 million, and 34,537.59 pounds, approximately 1.96 million or 2.95 billion naira at current exchange rates. The EFCC alleges that between 2016 and 2023, Jude dishonestly converted funds intended for music royalties, siphoning them into personal accounts and concealing their origins through bureau de change transactions. One notable charge claims he used over $1 million from Access Bank PLC to acquire a property worth 850 million naira at number 5 Tony Eromosele Street, Parkview Estate, Ikoyi, Lagos in 2022. An act the EFCC deems a violation of the Money Laundering, Prevention and Prohibition Act. Just days later, on March 4, 2025, the EFCC brought fresh charges against Jude before the Ikeja Special Offences Court. This time, he faced a 4-count charge of theft, accused of diverting $1.20 million and 34,000 pounds in royalties paid by companies like Lex Records Limited, Cobalt Music Services Limited, and M-Tech Limited. The commission alleges these funds were meant for Peter Okoye, one half of P-Square, and that Jude's actions were intended to permanently deprive his brother of his rightful earnings. Jude Okoye pleaded not guilty to all charges across both courts. His initial arraignment at the Federal High Court saw him remanded at the Ikoyi Correctional Facility after the prosecution, led by Larry Peters ASO, argued he posed a flight risk due to his dual citizenship. However, on March 3, 2025, Justice Alexander Owoye granted him bail of 100 million naira, with strict conditions, 2 sureties, each owning Lagos property worth 100 million naira, and a travel restriction requiring EFCC notification for any international movement. The trial was adjourned to April 14, 2025, with Jude remaining in custody until he meets the bail terms. Meanwhile, at the Ikeja Special Offences Court, Jude was remanded on March 4th. On March 6th, Justice Rahman Oshodi granted him bail of 50 million naira, citing Section 115(2) of the Administration of Criminal Justice Law, ACJL, which allows discretion in non-capital cases. Conditions included submitting his dual citizenship documents to the court registrar and notifying the EFCC and immigration of his travel plans. The trial here is set for May 16th and 23, 2025. The legal saga is deeply intertwined with the fractured relationship between Jude and his twin brothers, Peter, Mr. P, and Paul, Rude Boy, Okoye, P-Square. Once a powerhouse in African music, disbanded in 2017 amid disputes over Jude's role as their manager. A brief reunion in 2021 quickly unraveled, and tensions escalated in 2024 when Peter accused Jude of diverting millions in royalties into a secret company, prompting his petition to the EFCC. Paul, however, has defended Jude, claiming Peter's actions are an attempt to unfairly target their elder brother, and that any wrongdoing implicates them all, given their shared history. Jude has publicly lamented the situation, stating he sacrificed much to mend the rift between his brothers, only to find himself at the center of this legal storm. The public spat has fueled speculation and divided fans, with some viewing it as a betrayal within a once tight-knit family, while others see it as a necessary reckoning for alleged financial mismanagement. What lies ahead? As Jude Okoye navigates dual trials, the stakes are high. The EFCC's case hinges on proving intent to defraud and conceal illicit funds, while Jude's defense, led by prominent lawyers like Clement Onwenwunor, San, and Inibehe Effiong, argues his cooperation with investigations and familial ties should weigh in his favor. Beyond the courtroom, the saga underscores the complexities of fame, family, and finance in Nigeria's entertainment industry. With trials scheduled for April and May 2025, the coming months will determine Jude's fate and potentially reshape the legacy of P-Square. For now, the Okoye brothers remain a symbol of both musical triumph and personal turmoil, their story unfolding under the unrelenting gaze of the law and the public.